Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about the string indexing and string slicing. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. Okay, first, string indexing is nothing but we are fetching a specific character from the particular string. If the string contains multiple characters, a number of characters, but if we want to fetch the particular character, we will go with string indexing. Okay friends, the syntax of the string indexing is this is the string variable. Okay, st is the string variable. I am taking the string in the variable st, so the variable name and the index number is nothing but the index number position. Usually the index number starts with a 0. Okay, forward indexing starts with 0 and backward indexing starts with -1. So we can access the both forward and backward index numbers using the string indexing. By perform the string indexing, we can use the both forward and backward indexing. Okay friends, let's see the example. I am taking the string Python. Store it into the variable a. Okay, I am going to apply the string indexing. I'll write the index numbers here. Python THON. This is backward indexing, starts from -1, -2, -3, -4, is -5, -6. Okay, forward indexing starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are the index number for the string Python. Okay, first I'm going to fetch the index number. I want to fetch the character h. Okay, so what is the index number of h? Means 3. Forward, in forward case it's 3, the backward case it's -3. So both cases we can fetch the index number. Print of a 3 h, we can get the h. Okay, and then I want to fetch the index number, I want to fetch the character n. So what's the index number position? -1, otherwise 5. Print of a of -1 n, and I want to get the p. Print of a of, I am taking false. False means in Python, false is equal to 0 and true is equal to 1. So it will display the 0th position of the string A. Okay. If you will give the true, it will display the 1 position character Y. So let's see that one also. A of TRUE Y. This is the first position. P is the 0th position and Y is present in the first position. So it will display the character Y. Okay. Then this is a very simple one. You will see the next one. String slicing. By using the string indexing, we can fetch the single particular character only. But if you want to fetch the group of characters or n number of characters from the string, if you want to fetch the more than one number of characters, you will go with string slicing. It's a process of nothing but the process of fetching the range of characters from the string. Okay. If you want to fetch the group of characters from the string, we will go with the string slicing. Okay friends, the index of the string slicing is this is a string variable start number colon n number. Okay, we will see first this, then next we will see the another one. First we will see this start number colon n number. The slicing, this is the slicing operator. The colon is the slicing operator. By using the colon, we can slice the characters from the, we can slice the group of characters from the particular string. I am taking the same string Python, print of A of 0 colon 1. Okay, 0 to 1, 0th position, and this is 1 position. But in this case, it will not display the next position Y. Why? Because the string characters are starts from 0th position onwards. Okay, see, it starts with a 0 1 2 3. No, it's not. Starts from 1 onwards. So if you give the end number 1, means it will consider as 1 minus 1. That means before the end number. If we give the end number 5, means that will consider as a 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Up to 4 it will display. Okay, it will fetch the characters from the string 0 to string characters 0 to character up to character 4. 0 1 2 3 4. This 5 characters will be fetched. That's the reason behind this. Okay, so if we give the n number, but the system will consider as the program will consider that n number minus 1. Okay, up to that characters will be displayed. Okay, so here 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So the 0th position P will only come. Then the next one is print A of 0 to 5. See, 0 1 2 3 4 5, but the system will consider as 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So P Y T H O. So the the remaining 5 characters will come. Okay, has come here. Then the next one, A of 2 colon 5. The meaning is I want the string characters from second position to n number is fifth position. So, but the system will consider 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So, it will display the characters from the 2, 3, 4. THO will display. Okay, see THO come. Then I will go with the backward indexing also. Print of minus 5 the result is YT. Let's see how it will come. It has come minus 5. Minus 5 is what's the character? This one Y. Okay, minus 5 from 3. Third position is H. Okay, basically n number is 3 means it will consider as a 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So, this 2 characters has come. So, we got it Y and T. Then the next one is YTH minus 5 to minus 5 is Y, and then the n number is minus 2. Minus 2 means before the minus 2. Before the minus 2 is minus 3. Okay. So, YTH has come. We got YTH. Okay. Let's see the another one example. Two colon minus 2. Two means this, minus 2 means O. Okay, n number is minus 2. So, it will consider before the minus 2. So, TH, only TH has come. Okay, friends. Okay, let's see the another one. The another one method is string slicing with double colon. Okay, double colon. Previously we have seen about the single colon, but now we are going to see about the double colon. The index of the slice. This is also performing the same operation, fetching the range of characters from the string. Okay, but the syntax is different from the previous one. What's that? A string variable start number is same, and double colon, and step size. Step size is nothing but the increment number. If you want to fetch the I want to fetch the every alternative third character from the string, at that time we can use this slicing method. At the time we can use this slicing method. Okay, friends, this is nothing but step size or increment number, but the main syntax is under formal syntax is step size only. Let's see the example. I am taking the string again Python, and I am going to slicing the string using double colon. So, print of A index number, first start number A double colon 2. It's not visible. Okay, I'll choose the another one. Ideally shell. Okay, I am taking the string A Python. Then I am going to perform the string slicing using double colon. Then print of A, start number is 2, step size is 2. Okay, see TO, start number is 2, index number it's 2 and the step size is 2. Meaning of this one is the second position of the T. From the T, the H is the first position and the O is the second position, and after the N is the another one variable will come, means that is the another one second position. So T O has come. Okay, then A of 1 2 starts with index number 1. That means this is the first start number Y, then the second position is H, and another second position is N. So the result is YHN. Let's see, correct? YHN. Print of A I'm taking 3 and 1. HON. Okay, first position is the next character only. From start number is 3, so the next one is O and next one is N. Okay, so the HON has come, and minus 1 colon minus 1. See, this is a very important thing in the string slicing. By using the minus 1 double colon minus 1, we can reverse the particular string. Okay, this is a simple thing to reverse the particular string. See how it will happen. Our starts number is minus 1, so the string has starts from N, this position, and another one is, and the increment number is 1, so next character, then the next character, next one, next one, next one. So the entire string has reversed. So this output has come. This is the way to reverse the particular string. This is very important in the interviews also. Okay, then let's see another one. A of 1 3. YO. First position is Y, the third position is 1 2 3, so O. So the Y and O has come. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubts, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and forward this video to all your friends. Thank you, friends.